frustrating, isn't it? Seeing that others are crafting amazing YouTube video titles and get views all over the place, and you can't seem to think of a good YouTube video title and title your next video again, how to. This is going to change today, forever, with a free tool called the YouTube Video Title Generator. In this video, I'll show you where you can find this video title generator and how to use it. I'm so glad that you tuned in. My name is Dexter Clark from the Netherlands, and with this YouTube channel and my website socialvideoplaza.com, I help YouTube creators from all over the world with YouTube tips, tricks and tutorials. If you're into that sort of stuff, you should definitely consider subscribing and hit the bell icon so you receive a notification when I upload a new video. When you go to Google and type in video title generator, then you will see over here an item that says Social Video Plaza. Click on the Social Video Plaza one. First of all, it's my site, but second of all, it has some features that all the others don't have. So click on the free title generator of socialvideoplaza.com. By the way, I will also put a link in the description below. Then it's a really easy tool. Just giving your video topic or your main target keywords, for example, your mother, now my mother, and click on generate. Then it will show the results. It does some guesses, and sometimes it's bad English, sometimes it's not, and sometimes it's even funny. Now it says, my mother will make you rich, poor, smile, insecure, make something about that. It also shows you the amount of characters that the title has. In this case, it makes no sense because there are multiple suggestions in here. Rich, poor, you need to choose one of them. Hidden features, agenda of my mother, the future of my mother, it's not what you think. You see here, the triggers are: why do they make you rich, poor, cry, smile? The hidden features, not normal features, hidden features. The future of mother. Okay, it's not what you think, that's the trigger. The mother I've always wanted to have. The most powerful way to remove your mother. This one is kind of funny. You don't want to miss out. This is my newest mother trend. There are a lot of suggestions over here. If you want to load more titles, then you can click on generate again. Then it will generate new titles for you, and you can go endlessly. There are hundreds and hundreds of titles in this title generator. Every time when I come across a brilliant title on YouTube, I put it into this title generator. The funny thing about this video title generator is I noticed that it will also give you video ideas. So, for example, over here, 15 surprising my mother ideas that you probably never thought of. I thought of making a video about Mother's Day ideas, mother gift ideas. What I can do now is click on this item over here. It says 59 characters. This throws you over to the character counter, so you can count the amount of characters that are in the title. There is a limited amount of characters because otherwise they get truncated by YouTube on certain places. I made a video about that. I will link it up in the description below. For example, I want to fiddle with this title, and you see over here it has your title, but over here are the results. It says 59 characters, 10 words, letters 50, and it's one line long. It gives you here a result of what you should or shouldn't do regarding to the length of your title, and it says exactly where your title is cut off. In this case, it's probably everywhere cut off. Attention, attention, truncated, truncated, it's excellent, truncated, attention, and excellent. Surprising, 15 surprising Mother Day ideas you never thought of. Click on count again, it says 51 characters. Well, that's a lot better. Excellent, attention, it may be truncated, it's absolutely truncated. attention, excellent, excellent. So you can fiddle around here. It opened a new tab, so if I don't want to do anything with this title, then I can click the tab away. I can also copy this title by selecting it and pressing Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on the Mac. But I can also use directly Mother's Day gifts, and it gives you some ideas. Monstrously stupid decision to make Mother's Day gifts. 5 proven way to making Mother's Day gifts, for example. This tool is only meant to give you ideas, so you have to fiddle around it with the title a little bit to make it better or to make it fit your situation. But it gives you an amazing amount of suggestions. There are literally hundreds and hundreds of title ideas in here. When you look at the triggers, for example, monstrously stupid is the trigger here. 5 proven ways, not normal ways, but proven ways. You can also combine these triggers in one title. The more triggers you have in a title, the better it is and the more clicks you get. This tool is in no way final, so if you have some ideas to improve this tool, let me know in the comments below. To be honest, I use the video title generator all the time for the videos on this channel, and I noticed that you become better over time. If you can't wait that long, you should definitely check out the video right here. It will train your brain to make viral video titles. If you want to see more of my videos with tips, tricks and tutorials about YouTube, subscribe and hit the bell icon.